Good morning, everyone. And usually, when the month starts, what Sanajans does is Sanajans post like multiple announcements, and I will also post the same day. I think I always mention it in when I talk to my customers too. It is like we are also come to know about any specials only on that day. So that's how I usually do. So if anything starts on that day, I used to post, but this one I specifically hold on to today because I wanted to personally talk about it because it's very close to my heart. So the whole of January, they have announced that distributor sign up is completely free. What that means is like anyone who likes to start as a career, it doesn't have to be full time, it can be a part time because here you have the flexibility of working how much ever work hours you want to. As you all know, Senegence has been my part of my life for past 4 years, and I wouldn't trade for anything seriously. Anyone who have met me in person, even whether in Chicago or here, they all know how much I have traveled in this 4 years. So it's really, really close to my heart. Actually, to be frank, I have never shared it much because one thing I learned in this career is they always teach me that you don't take the decision on behalf of someone else. So I think so far that's one mistake I always did. Hi Prashanti, good morning. Hi Ramya, good morning da. I know Ramya used to work with me in my software career. She knows like I am not a person, I think I am not a desk person at all. I realized it very late. I came to this country with a work permit, but I wasted it for so many years. So I wish I have started this when I came to Chicago. It would have been like my 10th anniversary with Senegence now, which would be like I would be so happy to do that. So that is one thing I always regret, like why did I wait so long? Thank you, Ramya. That's what I think. People who knew me, they know I call myself as an introvert because I can do very well with a one-on-one connection, even as a small group. But what I don't feel so much comfortable is I am not like a person who can compete with others, who wants to put down others. Those kind of stuff, it's really hard for me to do. So when I was in the corporate environment, I did well on my part, but even if I have to tell that whatever I did end of my what's it, like assessment period, I suck at it, like really I suck at it. So even though I worked 3 years, I don't know how much I enjoyed. Maybe I enjoyed having all these people around me. I had a very good relationship with everybody, but if I have been happy with what I did, I don't know seriously, because the main thing I really like about Senegen's career is here you have such a positive woman around you, whether it is your customers, whether it's the team around you, everyone wants to succeed. If you see the post made by Tani yesterday, she is my leader's leader. So she took time to come and write about me. It's a very big motivation for me. So thank you, Tani, for always doing that. And also it shows how a leader should be. So if I have so many people in this business who I look up to. That's why it keeps me going and it keeps me motivated to stay in this path. To be frank, like last year when Farah signed up under me. The question she asked me was, how did you not ask me to sign up? So I was like, I thought it's a choice that you have to make. So I didn't want to force you to make, but I was like in the 1 year traveling with my team. I learned so much as a leader, as a person, I would say, because here you have the opportunity to work from wherever you are, a product that works, a company that supports, and a company that has very high standards to make. Like they make in USA because to keep the standard high, you know how much the quality checks they have to make, and to run a factory in California, you need to know how much they need to go through. Even to Australia, to any other country, they make it here and then they ship it. So every product is completely made in here. So and also they make sure they are not only vegan, they are cruelty free products. And the company structure, the way the team is formed, I really love my team. Like each and every person used to cheer, even whether it's a small step, whether it's a newbie, whether it's someone who is in there for so many years, they all been treated equally. There is no discretion on whether if you ask a silly question, whether you are whether you are like a pro on something. Like you don't have to feel shy about asking some questions or learning about it. In if you in my path, I would say going to be turning 40, I wouldn't be happier that how much I have learned in this 4 years. Like whether it comes to makeup, whether it comes to taking care of myself, whether attending personal training, like even my family, to my husband, when I started the career, like he said, you have never done a business, you never applied much makeup, like how are you going to do this? So I seriously hadn't have any clue on how I'm going to do, but somehow I thought, okay, maybe this is what I want to do, because I felt like I really love connecting with people. And every time when I get a message saying that, oh, I really felt confident on when I wore the makeup, or when they say I'm so happy that I'm taking care of my skin like this, it really makes me happy too, because I wish someone have told me to do all these kind of stuff when I was younger, like 20 or 30, to take care of myself. So doing this to other women is really fulfilling to do. So that's the main focus for me to do this business. And the flexibility I can, if I have a hi Fa, I was just talking about you. Like I was saying how you always ask me like how I didn't ask you to sign up. So today we are talking about how the sign up promo that's going on for January. So for the January promo, so usually it is $65 to sign up as a distributor. So it's usually like a 1 year membership. So anytime when you don't want to continue, you can always, you don't have to, because with Senegens, that's another plus. There is no ordering minimum. There is no auto renewal. Thank you so much. So it's so good to have a team who lives close by. So it's really motivating too. I think I enjoyed having you for the past 1 year, and I can't wait to travel further. So it's there is no auto renewal. That's main thing, because most of the people, I think we all do this mistake of giving our credit card in most of the places, and we don't even realize when they are charging us for the renewal. Here with Senegens, we don't do, whether it's kiss and tell, whether it's the distributorship, they always ask your consent before renewing. So that way it's just 1 year membership, $65, that's been waived off. When I signed up and all, I just signed up for $55 without any yeah. So what is it like? I didn't have any promotions going on, but later they started releasing what is it like a kit, that the distributor kit. So the distributor kit comes with 3 options. So you will be able to sign up. The first one is soft neutral, which comes with 3 of these shades. I just have one in the tester size that's going to come. The 2 of them are like just to show the color. So the first set is Love It, Bombshell and Dawn Rising. So this is called soft neutrals. As you can see, they are very light colors. So you get this is the shadow sense size, or the mini size we call. If you don't know, the recent ones that got released yesterday, what is it called? I think Love Potion, right? So Love Potion I ordered already, so that is going to be the smaller tube. So the whole set was $49 because 1 Lipson's colors and two of the glosses. So one is 19, the Lipson's color was 19, and the other 2 were $15 each. So, and it came with the cute pink heart-shaped wristlet, which is really cute. So I already ordered mine to show the first impression. So, and I heard the color is really close to Boysenberry and Madeira Topaz. So I have so many people who like Madeira Topaz in the group. So that's why I was really excited to order too, because I know the color is going to be really nice on our skin tone. So this is the first set, that's soft neutrals. The second one is called, what is it called? I couldn't read it. Soft neutrals. This is rich. What is the other one? Yeah, this one is deep neutrals. Sorry. I was blanked out for a second. So this is deep neutrals, which is sheer berry, which is the color I wore. I think it is little lighter. Maybe I need to shake it a little bit. The next one was Bella, which is like a neutral. Everyone loves Bella. And it's a neutral color. That means it will suit everybody. And the last one is Caramel Apple. So each color group will have 3 colors to choose from. And the rich neutrals came with Fly Girl, Cocoa and Plum. So this is like the darkest of all 3 groups. So you get to pick any one of these groups, and you will also get 1 full size glossy gloss and 1 full size oops remover, along with I got a call. So when you sign up as a distributor, you get to pick one of these to start with, and then you can also there is no minimum purchase needed to keep active every month. I think to stay active for 6 months, you need to order for $200, and you will have your website set up. The team will help you to set up everything. That way you can direct your customer orders there. When I started and all, we didn't have any kiss and tell, so I used to have a lot of stock that time. So now they changed everything, so you don't have to have mandatory stock. It's up to you whether you want to have the stock, because sometimes customers like you to have the stock, because I always like to do the first impressions myself, because that helps them to understand the color or all those stuff, but it's not a mandatory step, I would say. And same way, anytime when anytime when you need any help, the team will really help you to start with, and they already have so many trainings that happen year around, whether it's SeneGence trainings or the team trainings. You will be able to succeed with that, because as I was saying, as myself as an example, I always like to quote myself, because even whether you are a beginner with makeup, even if you don't know anything about business, you can still do it. That's the beauty about this. And the other advantages, you can do whether you want to do full-time like me, or you can do part-time. Like Farah has a main other job too, but she does Senegal. So similar way, I do have a few more who has main a full-time job, and then they do this as part-time. So it's up to you how you want to do it. And I always tell my husband, like, I have the flexibility. If I have my son's drama, I get to take Senegens a little bit, and then I can concentrate on that. Whether for example, on the days of Thanksgiving and Christmas and all, I know the family is here, and I was able to concentrate more on Senegens that time, so that I was able to concentrate and answer my customers. So even if I go for an Indian vacation, or whether I go for a vacation here, I still have the accessibility to connect to my customers. Or my website is 24/7, so they can order it anytime, whether I'm in sleep, whether I'm awake. They don't have to wait for me. They have access to it. So that way it gives the freedom for you to grow as much you work. So I feel like that's the freedom I wanted, because here you don't have a pressure for yourself to meet any deadline, meet any goals. Like, they are not going to push you. It's up to you. Whenever you are ready, you are slowly going to get push yourself a little bit. So if I see myself how I grew, if in technical wise, if you ask me, first year and all, I don't even talk in any of the videos. Like, most of my videos will be in a time lapse, where I will be just doing just like an application, all those kind of stuff. That too mostly LipSense, because that's where I started. I think LipSense was more like an entry point to Senegens for most of the people. But once I was in, one of my close friends, she gifted me a brush set. Until then, I don't even own a brush set, or I don't even attempted myself to think that I will do a eye look or anything. So she said, Aarti, it's time for you to start doing your eyes, and I want you to explore on that. I was like, oh my God, I am not going to do that, but because I never attempted. But you should go back and see my eye looks, because that's where everyone starts. So nobody is a pro. Everyone starts somewhere and then progress. So there is always a saying, like, it's like, it's better late than never. So as I was saying, I wish I started 10 years back, and to celebrate my 10th year anniversary now with Senegens. But it's fine. Like, at least I have 4 years completed, and I have learned so much in this. So similar way, when I started doing the eye looks, everyone used to now come and say, oh, your eye looks so perfect. Like, it's you make it look so easy. It never easy. It is like, the more you practice, the more it's going to come. It's the same for everything, whether it's a workout, whether it's your makeup skill, whether it's cooking, whether it's a everyday skill. It's just the practice that you can never compete with. Even for the sari draping class, I think many of you pinged me to ask the details about it. So I always take Senegens as similar one. If you buy something from Amazon, if you buy something from anywhere else, you are not scared to share it. Like, you feel like, oh, I am ready to share the link. But when it comes to your own business, sometimes you shrug, and you feel like, oh my God, people will feel like I'm pushy, I'm so salesy. But the thing is, it's the similar thing. Only thing is, if you have the same interest and same intention, it's going to reflect in some way. So when I took the sari class also, everyone asked the same question. Like, they were like, do you think it's worth it for one class? Because do you think you were able to learn? I was telling them, like, whatever I could learn in 3 hours, I felt happy about it. But do you think it's perfect? It's not. But I should practice. I cannot expect whatever she is doing for 4 years. When I was talking to her, she said she has 4 years of experience with this sari draping now. So I cannot just put 3 hours and compare it with her and see, like, oh, I didn't get the same output. And similar way, if I put the same amount of hours how much she did, I'm sure I will be in her place. So I think that applies to my Senajan job too. So if you think someone, your friends or family would really be interested in doing this, please at least refer them. You never know whom it can help, because as I said, we never know what struggles somebody is going through, or what difference it makes. To me, I was able to contribute to this new house financially. That was a big step after, I would say, how many years? I would say maybe 12 years, because 12 years back when I got the old house, I was able to do. After that, I had a very long break. So I never thought myself as financially independent until then, when I realized I was able to contribute to this house. So that's a big thing for me. And similar way, it can be for anything, like whether it can be extra class for your kid, whether it can be extra personal thing for you. Like I know many of them who likes to go for what to say, like go for a vacation, whether they want to go for India trips. To be frank, they are not what to say, like affordable that easily. So anything it can be. And as I said, even in my corporate world, I never had this much personal motivation I have in this group, because each person will check on me. I feel like before Senajans, my circle was so small. Like I used to be me, myself, my world. That's all it is. But now, even if I skip a day not to post, or even if I skip not coming live for a week, I will have hundreds of people who will ping me and ask me, "Are you okay?" I think that is the biggest achievement for me in this, because I have earned so many people through this, and which I could carry forward, and having that relationship. And as I said, I have had people who will message me saying, like, I never had the courage to go to a store or people in mall, because I'm afraid to ask questions, because I feel like I don't know anything, and they will laugh at me. And here I always tell them, like, I never delete any of my older posts, because I want you to see how many mistakes I did, what is my path to come here. So that way you will also get the confidence. It's that one day you will be there, and none of them is the rocket science. Like all these are like very small steps, whether it can be a workout goal, whether it can be your makeup goal, or as I said, whether you want to start a business. I wouldn't say you are going to be overnight success. Nobody can. It's always the work you put in, you are going to get the benefits out of it. So, hi Shobna, good morning. So that is the main, what is it, like thing about having this business. I know all my small business owners will agree to this. Running a business in social media or in person, anything is not easy anytime. So it's a hard work. It needs consistency, it needs your dedication, it needs your time. But end of day, it's totally worth it, because you whatever you do, you are doing it with wholeheartedly, and you will see the results based on that. So it's something I wanted to convey. That's why I didn't post all these things, because I know when it comes to these kind of things, I think the one question we always get asked is, oh, it's another network marketing. But to be frank, what you understand from that is, people think that you are behind them all the time. You are going to force them to buy. You are going to what is it, like make them obligated. But if you see my scenario, I would say 90 99% of my customers are, first of all, outside Charlotte. Second thing is, even inside Charlotte, I would say I either ship or do anything. So, and the one thing I always say is, learn that you are not starting your business depending on your friends and family first. Thank you. It's actually sheer berry, but I think the color turned a little bit different. But I wanted to show one of the colors from the sign up bonus, so that's what I did. But I think it's little lighter in the phone. Actually, it should be little darker. Maybe I will post a picture actually after that. This was supposed to be a little darker actually, but when I applied. I think it was showing a little bit lighter on the screen particularly. It in person it shows a little darker, but in this light it shows different. But that's why I was saying this color is really close to the Love Potion that got released yesterday, and I have ordered. Mostly I will be getting, I would say, Friday or Saturday. So Monday you can always expect the first impression of the new Love Potion. The color name itself is so cute, like Smitten Lip Sense. So that's what I'm going to do for sure on Monday. So next Monday you guys can expect the first impression on that. And anything else I want to cover? I hope I spoke about all of them, because if you go back, I have done this video 2-3 times, but what happens is I will start talking about my old career, my depression I went through, and then how I reached here. But I think I always missed on the part on what is the good thing that happens around Sanajan's distributorship. So that's why I completely wanted to do on a different take instead of the regular route. I think I should bump that old post so that you guys can see. As I was saying, like once I was challenged to do a live for one whole month. So thank you, Juhi. Thank you so much. Yeah, you are a blue person always. I should have worn a blue, my navy eye pencil. I somehow missed it. I wore garnet with iced coffee shimmer, and I wore black pencil. That's the shades I wore, and I wore wind shimmer in the inner corner. Wind shimmer is so fun actually, because you can see the tube looks so white, but when you apply, it applies as gold. I don't know really how they achieved it, but that's something. Do you see? It's such a gold shade, but in the tube it looks so white. So I think that's why they always say, right, never judge a book by its cover. So 90% of Sanajan's colors is like that. So it's a very, very pretty gold actually, but in tube it looks completely white. No one can know when they see the tube and think that it will be a perfect gold shade actually. So that's the one I wore in inner corner. But I think I covered most of the things about sign up. So the whole month the sign up is free. It's $65 usually for one whole year. And I also got a message saying that whoever signed up from May 2020 till now, till December 2021, for Kiss and Tell, they all will get their renewal by February 1st. So you will have 30 days to sign up to have your same ID. So that's another message. I think the renewal part, they've been working for quite a while, because I know most of my customers always used to ping, because they have signed up around Thanksgiving Day 2019. So they all had a query, but they didn't have, not 19, yeah, 20. So they didn't have a renewal fee around their Thanksgiving time, because they had some background issues with that. So now that this new sign up thing is going on, both Kiss and Tell and the distributor membership is free this month. They will have the renewal that will be going on Feb 1st next month, and you will have 30 days from the day you it shows. You will have 30 days to sign up. So if you have any Kiss credits or anything, you need to use it, or else it will get elapsed. So that's it. You all have a wonderful day, guys. Thank you for listening to me patiently. I hope I was able to convey whatever I wanted to, and see you all soon.